Welcome to Just Wheel Repair, the mobile alloy wheel refinishing experts. Operating throughout London, Essex and Hertfordshire, Just Wheel Repair can visit you at your home or work and bring your wheels back to life. Our full refurbishment services include diamond cutting, colour matching, split rim rebuilds, acid stripping, powder coating, locking nut removal, and even wheel straightening. We do it all. It's a simple process from start to finish that consists of firstly removing the wheels from the vehicle, leaving it safely on jacks and axle stands. The beads are then broken and the tyres masked. This allows us to machine the damaged areas and prepare the wheels for painting. We'll then paint each wheel and re-lacquer, bringing the wheels back to their original brand new colour and condition. Our range of services are available to individuals as well as those within the motor trade. If you'd like a quotation or need some advice, please get in touch today.